Hey guys, Corey here from Sky's the Limit Car Care, and today we're going to talk all about a new line of products for us that's Bioworx. Hey guys, it's Corey here from the future. So we were just putting together the Bioworx video, and we realized we were missing some audio. It got messed up during the demonstration of the product, and so I thought this particular audio was very important for you because this is actually my favorite product out of the entire line. While we like all the products, we absolutely love this one, and so I wanted to explain to you why. Number one is lubricity and slickness. With any auto soap, I think that that is the most important thing. And with the Bioworx Natural Auto Soap, they really do a great job at that. So when you're rubbing your mitt across the paint, any sand or dirt or bug, shells, stuff like that, that it grabs onto isn't going to dig into the paint, it's going to slide off. And that's the lubricity factor. That's number one for me in any auto soap, and this really nails that. Number two is cleanliness, or cleaning strength, I should say. And that also does really well. When we demonstrated this product, first we foamed the product on the car to see how it foamed. It doesn't foam particularly thick, but like I said, it cleans great. When we rinsed it off before we'd even put a mitt to it, it rinsed off with taking almost all the dirt with it, which blew my mind, honestly. So then we came back and did wash it with a mitt so we could feel how it felt and go through all the steps, but it had taken quite a bit of dirt with that alone. So lubricity, cleaning, the strength, those were really great factors. Number three is that it easily rinses off. I had heard from somebody that they didn't think it rinsed very easily, and so I expected that, and that was not my experience whatsoever. Number four, it smells amazing, and that's something I could say for every product in the lineup. They all smell great. They all smell very fresh and natural, as they should, because there's no synthetic perfumes in there. So yeah, it smells super fresh, just natural. And it's a great experience, not overwhelming, but really just a great experience throughout the use of the product. I think that's everything on this product. I'm going to go ahead and release you back to the video. So the first thing you might ask is, why are you guys bringing in another line of products? Especially if you've been around for a while and you know that we're not into carrying every single product line out there, and we like to have a reason for the products that we carry. Obviously, quality, functionality are high on the list for us, but they also have to do something differently than what we're already offering. With Bioworx, it's really something that's dear to my heart. It's right there in the name. It's the bio. And this is the only product line that I've found that's USDA certified bio-based products. I was actually born over in Papua New Guinea, so in the middle of rainforest, just the most beautiful remote place you could find on the planet. That's where I grew up for the first 12 years of my life. So I've seen firsthand how beautiful and untouched nature can be. And one thing that I'm not happy with in our industry is that it's not conducive to, to really being safe for nature. A lot of the products that we use are not great for our environment, not great for us. And so I'm very supportive of anybody that's going to go out on a limb and promote products or create products that promote that awareness, which is something very dear to my heart. Sky's the Limit Car Care, actually, and myself, we actually support a group called Rainforest Trust, which helps protect the rainforests all around the country. So clearly, if you want to learn more about that, there's a link on the bottom of our page, but it's something that I'm really passionate about. And Bioworx is also passionate about the environment. So Josh and I were walking by their booth at Mobile Tech Expo, and I saw the bio, and I said, oh man, this really sounds interesting. Let me take a quick look. I figured it was just marketing talk or whatever, but I took a closer look, talked to Justin and the guys there about it, and realized that we really have some similar values. So obviously we grabbed some products to test. There's actually another product that's not here in the video. My friend Angel from Clear Cut Detailing, he's a professional detailer here locally, and he's still testing that product for us. We tested the rest of these ourselves. That one, we didn't have anything, we couldn't really push that product to its max, so he's testing that. I forgot to bring it back for the video, but I'm just gonna give you a quick rundown on them. The first one is the all-purpose cleaner that I already mentioned to you. Based on Angel's feedback on that one, which is the only one we haven't tested yet ourselves, but based on what he told us, he would recommend doubling their dilution ratios, but it still comes out to a good deal for the all-purpose cleaner. The price is good. Just double up on whatever they say, because it's not quite as strong as some all-purpose cleaners, but it is a little safer. The next product in the lineup is the auto shampoo. They call it concentrated. If you're used to using like a Maguire soap, something like that, then yes, you would call this concentrated. Basically, it's an ounce per gallon. Obviously, if you're used to our Carpro Reset or Ultimate Paint Guard Wash. As you know, we use about 1 ounce for 4 gallons there. So those are hyper concentrated. But in the mass market, that's usually considered quite concentrated. So anyway, it's a good deal for the price. All the products are economically priced, and of course, good for the environment. The second product in the lineup that I'm going to discuss is the No Rinse Waterless Wash. Alexandra tested this one the most, and what she found is that it leaves a little bit of foaminess that you don't usually see in a rinseless wash. So that's a very interesting thing. It's not overly foamy, but just a little bit of foaminess that you'll find with that. Cleans very well. One other interesting little tidbit is they have a dilution ratio for you to turn that into a quick detailer if you want to. But that's not to be confused with this product. We asked them about that, and it's very clearly looks like a completely different product. The appearance is, this one's more of a milky white. This one's more of an amber color, similar to the soap. And they agreed that we were right. In fact, they're completely different products, but you can mix that to a quick detailer ratio. And then, of course, this one is a ready-to-use quick detailer, or you could cut it even further based on my own testing. I was the one that tested this product the most. And what I found is a quick detailer that doesn't leave as much slickness and stuff as some quick detailers do, but cleans and cuts grease and leaves a streak-free surface faster and easier than most products. So, so more of a cleaning quick detailer on that one. And then finally, we have the odor eliminator. So the odor eliminator, this you want to spray about 6 to 12 inches from the surface and let it dry completely before you use it. And that'll kill the bacteria. It smells nice, really easy to use. And I think that's a good quick roundup for these products. For anybody that is passionate about the environment and that cares about their own health long term, I think that you guys will really love these products. I'm hoping that the public will embrace them and give them a shot, and look forward to talking to you guys about them more in the future. All right, guys, so that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe, be sure to hit the notification bell. And if you have any questions or comments, we love it all. We don't care if it's positive, negative, whatever. It's all part of the journey for us, so leave those comments below. We're happy to help. If you want to hit us by phone, we're always here, or at least 5 days a week. And hit us by email, and we'll be happy to help you out there too. That's it for today. Have a great day, guys.